Hello and happy weekend everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Simple Daddy. Today is a little bit special because I'm recording in my kitchen. So in today's video, I'm going to share how to make a dalgona coffee. During this lockdown period, I believe you're able to see a lot of people are sharing this popular drink. Therefore today I'm going to try to make this drink. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for clicking in this video. If you are first time to my video, I'm glad that you can click the subscribe button below. Without further ado, let's start. Instant coffee, sugar and fresh milk are the ingredients to make this drink. The ratio of coffee, sugar and water are 1:1. I added some chocolate on this drink. You may stir it before drink. It tastes good. You should try it at home. That's it about the video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and try to make dalgona coffee at home. Let me know in the comment below the taste of this drink in your opinion. Please stay safe at home and I will be seeing you in the next video. Peace. Bye.